under the 7 measures, if you have a NPL, let's cite a very simple example. If you have a loan of 5 lakhs, and from the 5 lakhs, your interest considered as 1 lakh. Just say, I'm citing an example to make you understand. So 1 lakh, you have a interest, penal interest you have. If you go to the bank and say that I want to pay this 1 lakh, and the rest of my reschedule my loan structure, and term extension. If it was for 10 years, you can ask for 20 years or 25 years or 30 years. Bank has to agree. But so if your loan is being restructured under 7 measures, and if you pay that 1 lakh within that 2 months or 6 months under your observation, then you will be removed from there. So actually, I actually did several rounds of meeting with RMA. So I'm fully convinced with these measures, many of them will recover. So on this note, you are asking some more details. And again, let's cite one example. Your property in Bhutan, the loans are based on collateral. If you have no collateral, you will not get loan more. So let's say your mortgage, your collateral has been pledged 5 years back in the bank. And during the 5 years back, your loan has been valued. But now you can go for revaluation of your property. So revaluation of the existing prevailing market rate, if it was worth of 1 crore in the 5 year ahead, then now you can value this house as let's assume about 4 crores or 5 crores. So you'll be given access also from there with the same collateral. Ani boda chir gerlu di ani under 7 measures the pen bombera to. Only thing is you have to go. But like today in the EC, my hotel chairman is not convinced under 7 measures. Further, he's trying to come up with some additional models. He wants to design 3, hiring a consultant, and many of his hotels are not being able to negotiate with the banks. So the association is taking fully responsibility to take the strategy document further. So the association will be working directly with the bank, with the client. Chikhawe khiktiwe, te tale ani model na luwe, te chuktiwe ko deferment tarigi restructure the ani beniwe me. Te chirtang ngachagi the on behalf of the private members, we can't do it that way la, because we have 20 associations and almost 60,000 members. We cannot have that reach. But we were only on the front of policy, front of ngachagi ani. Tarigi measures in some legumes and maragi hotolerala. Hemagi the without any studies, deferments stand over there. If you are in NPL, you can't do anything there. Though you pay also, still you remain NPL. And the cooling period was 6 months initially under that deferment. Tari bere moparu 6 months right. Aniti gopdula bank to say convince begove that we were always blaming the banks, the interest toilo, kachulo rogi nanalu juve kalapta the law. They also have lot of CRR law, LML law, SLR law, ani disu the law, machikita. There is a slim room for bringing down the interest also. We have gone in deeper la, taila machiki. Mapalera by structure itself, lakadu kachu machiki to fix parts of the they also give us there. Ani SLR CRR na law, credit reserve ratio na law. If you deposit 1 lakh, your 1 lakh nale, 40%, the bank, once they take that money, 40% has to be deposited to the RMA there, without interest. And with that 60,000, they have to provide us the interest there. In principle, so the lending rate give you interest ma permitsuvela. The RMA ki lego me securities umbele. Tama bankrupt jo say those are under that prudential guidelines na average city dovala.